Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Invoke Mom. This is Sonal Dhingra Bhandari, and today I'm going to tell you how to make smooth and silky chocolate ganache. So let us first understand what chocolate ganache is used for. So today I'm going to make a whipped chocolate ganache. So this kind of ganache is generally used for decorating cakes, donuts, cupcakes, etc. So this kind of ganache is generally made with only two ingredients, which is cream and chocolate, and the combination of these two things mixed together is obviously divine and heavenly. So you can make three kind of chocolate ganaches. One is a dark chocolate ganache, second is a milk chocolate ganache, and the third is a white chocolate ganache. Now let's start making this ganache. So first I'm going to melt my chocolate on a double boiler. So what I've done is I've taken a saucepan and I've boiled some water, to which now I'm going to take a heat proof bowl of chocolate and I've placed this over this. You have to make sure that the bowl and water does not touch each other. Your chocolate needs to be chopped. If not chopped, take small quantities of chocolate as I have done and start melting small quantities together. So I've taken Mode dark chocolate over here, and so the quantity for my ganache will be 400 grams of chocolate and 200 ml of cream. So once the chocolate is melted, as you can see, my entire chocolate is melted. You have to be careful while melting the chocolate. You have to keep whisking it a little so that the chocolate does not burn and is evenly melted. Initially, when I was melting my chocolate, I had taken boiling water, but once the chocolate started melting, now I've placed the gas on a very slow flame. So now if you see, my chocolate has melted evenly. Okay, so now I've taken 200 ml of whipping cream and I've placed it in the same pan. And now what I'm going to do is just on very slow flame till you start seeing bubbles on the corners of your cream. As you can see over here, the bubbles have started coming. So this is the perfect time to just turn off the gas and mix chocolate into the cream. So here I have used whipping cream because it has 30% of fat, and the heat is turned off over here. So if you're not using whipping cream, you can always use fresh cream as well. Let me just mix this, and I think I'll just mix the cream into the chocolate only. So this is how my final melted chocolate looks like, and this is the cream. I've added a little bit of chocolate, but I'm going to shift it into that big bowl only. Okay, so let's start mixing. So 400 grams of chocolate and 200 ml of cream. Let's mix everything together. And once this cool down on normal room temperature, then we are going to place this in the fridge. My cream was cold, that's why I have heated the cream a little bit. But if you have room temperature cream, so you don't have to warm the cream at all also. So once this ganache comes on a room temperature, I'm going to cling wrap it and keep it in the fridge for 2 hours. Then I'm going to whip it. Now the ganache has cooled down completely on room temperature. So as you can see, I have placed the cling wrap over it. You can see how I've placed the cling wrap. It's on the chocolate, not over the bowl. So this is how you need to cling wrap this. So so that no air goes inside it now. Now this is how the ganache looks after 2 hours of refrigeration. So let's start whisking this now. So when you're whisking the ganache needs to be cooled at all time. So what I've done is I've taken an ice tray and now I have placed this bowl over it, and now I'm going to whip this. It will be cool and it will whip easily, and it will take less of a time. So I'm going to whisk this ganache on a very slow speed only for about 5 to 7 minutes, and after that the ganache will be ready. So this is how my final ganache looks like, and I'll show you how I've decorated my cake with it. If you want the recipe of the cake, please watch my last video, and I will share the link of it in the description box down below. Do have a look. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please like, share and comment, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon for all the latest video updates. Thank you.